In front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again, tap on Privacy and select Permission Manager. Now you can either tap on one of your device's features, select an app, and click on one of those options to apply the best one. Or you can select any feature, look for an app that you wish to manage instead, and select See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!